today I've got something super exciting for you. So in this video, I'm going to nail my vision for creating a brown monochromatic color scheme for my beautiful model Oluchi, followed by an incredible photo shoot. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Saie Taylor, your go-to for all things makeup and photography. First, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Let's get into it. And let's start with the base. So I'm using Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover in shades Warm 5, Warm 7, and Warm 9 to create a flawless finish. I love Danessa's products because no matter your technique, skin always looks like skin. Also, a little bit of that vision cream goes a long way. For concealer, I've used the Hourglass Airbrush Concealer in shades Maple as well as shade Teak. I do like to mix those two because Maple does tend to be a little warm on some skin tones. From there, I set the skin with Saie Beauty Powder. I've used shades Medium for Oluchi. And to set her under eyes, I've used the Givenchy setting powder in shade number 5. For her eyes, I used the Bobbi Brown Color Shadow Stick in shade Cinnamon all over her lid, and then applied Pat McGrath's brown shade called Entrapment that's found in the Bronze Mothership palette all over her lid. So let's move on into this photo shoot. I'm just glad that I've never been afraid to go on the side of the road to take amazing photos. It's important in life to stop and find the beauty in all things. This session has inspired me to do more of that, and I hope it inspires you to do the same. All of the colors from makeup to wardrobe to God's creation came together as a masterpiece, and it's super timeless. Thank you for tuning into my very first YouTube video on my channel. If you have time, click the tab above to watch the makeup video I did with Lisa J Makeup. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to see next time. And don't forget to follow me on IG at CT Shoots You for my photography and Saie Taylor Makeup for my makeup related content and updates. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and fabulous.